Hello and welcome to miniOrange. Today we will configure single sign-on for WordPress using HubSpot as OAuth Provider. So let's get started. First, install our miniOrange OAuth Client Single Sign-On plugin on your WordPress site. You can find the plugin installation steps in our setup guide, which is provided in the video description. Go to the miniOrange OAuth Client plugin. You'll find the button to add an application under Configure OAuth section. Click on it. Search for HubSpot in the search bar, and click on it. Here, you will find the callback URL. Keep the callback URL handy since you'll need it later to configure HubSpot. Click on Next button. As you can see, the app name and endpoints are autofields. If you want to change them, you can do so. Click on Next. We'll need a client ID and client secret from HubSpot, so let's configure HubSpot first. Log in to HubSpot using your credentials. Click on Apps tab, and then click on Create App button. Give your app name and a description, under App Info section. Now, click on Auth tab. Scroll down below. Here you will need to enter the callback URL that you copied from the miniOrange OAuth Client plugin. Paste the callback URL here. Now, go to the Scope section and click on CRM option. Enable the CRM Object Owner scope, and click on Create App button. The app was created successfully. Now, go back to the Auth tab. You will get the client ID and the client secret. Copy them. Paste the client ID and the client secret in the OAuth Client plugin. The scope is already autofilled. Click on Next button. Here, you will get the summary of your configuration. Enable the body parameter, and click on Finish button. Choose your account, and click on Connect App button. You will see all the values returned by your HubSpot to WordPress in a table. Click on Finish button again, and click on Attribute or Role Mapping tab. Select Attributes from Username dropdown, and click on Save. Now, go to your WordPress login page. You will see an HubSpot SSO login button here. Click on the SSO button. It will redirect you to the HubSpot login page. Log in with your HubSpot credentials. It will ask you to enter a verification code. Enter the code you received by email. Choose your test account, and click on Right icon. You have successfully configured HubSpot SSO by configuring HubSpot as OAuth Provider and WordPress as OAuth Client, using our WP OAuth Single Sign-On plugin. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please contact us at oauthsupport@securify.com.